Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. We're going to do some cards today, and we're going to use the Fireside paper pad from Michaels by Recollections. So that's what that looks like, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I just am going to make some A2 cards, and I have 2 of each color, and we have craft, red, and white. So I already cut everything out, and these are the pieces we're going to be using, or I'm going to be using. Hopefully you'll follow along if you're like me and are late on doing cards. So I'm going to have to be handing these out instead of mailing them because Christmas is just around the corner. So we have all this, and I just wanted to show a few, the major pieces that I want to work with. So here we are. I'm liking this right here, the white, like this. And then maybe we could cut the other one out and do like a pop dot it. Yeah, let's do that. So we got one going. This one's done. Got my ATG gun. So I'm gonna cut the other one out, and we are going to pop dot it right there and add some Link of Stella. I'm gonna use actually some foam adhesive, not pop dots. I do have pop dots, but I'm just gonna get this out. So I'll use 2. Can't believe how fast December went. It just went so fast. There we are. So that is dimensionals, and I'm going to add some Wink of Stella clear, and we're going to do it to the snow, to the snowman, and to the snow on the bottom, just to give it some glitter. And some of these snows on the side. Very nice. Let's see that glitter. Let's see. Right there. Okay, well that card is done. Like that. Here we have this one. I think I want to maybe use this, and I will cut it down. We're gonna go ahead and pop this, put foam adhesive. I keep wanting to say pop dot it, but we're gonna put foam adhesive, and we're gonna round these corners. So these are kind of like last minute cards for the last minute people like myself. I have to get up to do this. I can't get it centered. There we go. And then let's pop dot this. I'm going to use my scissors to remove the back side. Okay, let's put some Wink Castella on the snowman. And the rim. And the snowflake. There you are. Here's card number 2. Next, I kind of like this sweater. So I'm going to make a new one so I can cut this evenly. Okay, so this is what this is going to look like. Let's go ahead and tape it, and this will be card 3. Card 3. Cute. And I like this, the gold. So I cut a piece of gold cardstock and I'm going to glue this to it and then cut the rest off so we can have it centered. Okay, and I'm going to put it on the red, like this. I like that. Okay, so there is card number 4, Making Spirits Bright. some foam adhesive on the bow. So there we have card number 5, Peace on Earth. Okay, let's see here. Cut some gold here. Figured it out. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Maybe white. Let me try white. Probably work better. Yes, I'm liking the white better. So much better. Okay. And these are the cards. I think we're out. So we got a total of 6 cards. Okay, card number 6. Warm Winter Wishes. Card number 6, and maybe we could do something with that. And the truck, if I could find it. Where are you, truck? I seriously have a huge mess here. Okay, found the truck. And the truck with one of these cards would look nice. And let's do this. Okay, right there. Yeah. Let's do that. There we go. So much better. Okay, so that is card number 7, and there's still so many that we could make. So that is number 7. Card 6. Card 5. Card 4. Card 3. Card 2. And card 1. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for spending time with me. Until next time, you guys. Bye.